Hello, my name is Nautilus.
And I'm Feather.
And today we are going to hunt for treasure.
Nautilus and I are sheltering in place at our home here at Westminster Woods. And right now we're really missing all the students that were scheduled to come and spend time with us. So we thought we'd share some of our favorite nature activities with you. Today we're going to make a treasure map.
And if there's one thing I love, it's finding treasure. X marks the spot. Aha!
Nautilus, I don't think we're going to look for that kind of treasure.
We're not?
No, today we're going to find nature's treasure.
Tell me more.
To make your own nature treasure map, you'll need some paper and something to write with. Then you can go outside. Anywhere near you works, as long as there's nature. It could be your own backyard, could be a park, could be your neighborhood or a hiking trail. Just remember, if there's other people also enjoying the outdoor space, to keep a distance from them. When you find something that stands out to you in nature, you can draw a sketch of it in your journal. Remember, drawing in our nature journals, not about making amazing artwork, it's about recording what you notice about the thing you see. Then you'll continue on and find something else cool in nature and draw that too, until you have a complete treasure map of the area that you're walking. Okay, let's get started. If you want to follow along and draw the same things as me, you can pause the video each time we find something cool and make your own drawing, or you can watch the whole video and then go outside and create your own treasure map. Let's go. Whoa, look at this mossy green stump. Hey, there's a feather! Check that out. I'm gonna add that to my treasure map. Oh, whoa, a trillium flower! Whoa! Look how big this stump is! And how big that tree must have been. Is that black inside? This is going in my treasure map. Do you hear those birds? It's like pee-wee. Tick-a-tick-a-dee-dee. I can write these sounds down in my journal. Whoa, look at that leaf. It's so bright and colorful. Whoa, this is a beautiful view. I'm going to draw a rectangle in my journal to frame this view. Oh, Nautilus, hey.
Oh, hello.
How's the treasure mapping going?
It's going really great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want to share some of the things you found?
Yeah. Let me finish this little doodle. So I found some really cool bendy trees, a couple of little mushrooms and little flowers, some really cool tiny ferns, and I found all these bay leaves that were really smelly, so I put the smell of the leaves. A cool piece of lichen, this little tiny ant, and then I just saw some turkey vultures flying above me, and I thought that was pretty cool.
You want to see my map?
Yeah.
I found a feather, and then I walked a little farther and found this pink trillium flower. And further along I found this huge stump that had a bunch of black charcoal inside. Then I wrote down some of the bird sounds that I was hearing. And further along I found this really beautiful leaf with all a bunch of different colors. And finally I came to this really cool view, and so I drew a little snapshot of the view that I saw. Making a treasure map can help you notice all the cool treasures in nature around you.
And now you can go out and make your own.